5 more minties.
Morning, bairns. Fit, why are you not up yet?
'Cause
I want to get to scale.
too bad, you're done.
Dinna put off making your bed and get downstairs for your breakfast now.
Fits for breakfast today, Ma.
It's your everyday Angus. Porridge and a glass of coo.
But Ma...
What do you think this is, a blinking hotel? Do. Yeah. Fit, why have you not made your beddies?
It's just a blinking red up. Fits a red up.
I can.
Fit, do you mean? Fit a sorter.
This is so funny.
I can't rest.
Gads, fit a sorter you've made in the kitchen. Get better hoose and red up your sorter. Dinna put off redding up or you'll get a scalp it lug. Excuse me, but why are you no rig it? Go and get ready for school. No, you've got in a bit.
Listen to your Ma. But Ma, but Dad, I'm scunner a squeal.
Aye, me and that, but there's no scale today, Ma. I don't need as a wa.
But Ma, I don't want to get you squeal today. My head's sore.
Stop your havering. Had your wish, you're gone anyways.
You didn't look peely, Wally. Didn't pay off gang to squeal.
Oh, let's just get a rig it for scale then.
Didn't be rolling your in at me, you wee gype. Didn't pay off getting rigged for skill as you're ganging on it, why?
Stop your havering. Go to school, kids. Do as you're told. This tiny so long.
No, just didn't pay off doing your homework, Bairns. Aye, okay. We'll do that later.
Let's go watch our show on the telly. Didn't care, you're new watching the telly.
But Ma, this show's never on. I didn't care. You're going to do your homework, so hud your wish.
We just went to watch our show. We'll do our homework after. Aye, okay. Didn't put off doing your homework. Or you got skate around the lug.
I didn't want to do my homework.
We're not gonna learn anything anyway. What's the point? You do your homework now.
Oh.
It's dinner time. Come and eat your dinner. It's gonna get cold.
Alright. Eat your Brussels sprouts right now, Bairns. It'll make you grow. I didn't want to eat my Brussels sprouts. They're Megan.
Sprouts are belfin.
Kids, you gotta eat your sprouts. Son, you'll get a fancy piece. You're sick of wimp.
Oh, you're sick of wimp. Fit's down here.
Fit, what are you gaping about? Fit a sore.
Get off and read that new or
Didn't put off anything, as you still had to do it anyway.